channel. If it's the first time that you're coming across my channel, my name is Juliana, otherwise known as Vibes with Juliana on YouTube. Anyway, guys, my like how Colaz TV finally came out to speak his truth. I'm gonna have something to say to everybody that get involved, that get caught up in other story here. You see, if you're going to anybody yard you go, if it's not your mother or your father place of resident, anything where you gonna eat, ensure that you put something to it. And the reason why I say that, you see, Marlon and his mother, Pauline, they expected more from Outer Colaz TV. They actually expected more. Imagine you invite a person up, right? Because if I invite my friend out, I know that I am going to be paying for everything. But no, he didn't look at it like that. He take money from out of his pocket to pay for everything. The only thing he didn't pay for was the food that he consumed at your house, right? And you're going to say that you're going to confide in people. You did not confide to one, two, or three person. You confided to 20 person. That shows you what your intention was from the get-go. You didn't just hurt about Marlon not paying you attention. You wanted more than attention, it seems. So you decide to say, here what? You gotta tell everybody, he, she, the whole lady, everybody what happened in Jamaica. Imagine you call classmate and you ask him to pick you up. He told you that he's not sure because he's busy, right? Remember I told you that he's busy, because he have project working on. And the fact that you come in a time when Storm just finished, so the man have a lot of work. It's not like you will sit at home, not doing anything. The man is a busy man, so the man have places to go, things to do. So him couldn't just pack up everything and run to your rescue as you requested. So because Colaz never pack up and run to your rescue as you requested, you're gonna say that he didn't treat you the way that you wanted to be treated. Him not show attention. Come on, you're a big you're a big person. You know how much person would love to get the opportunity that you got for somebody to boost their channel for them, for somebody to help them by giving them a shout out, and Colaz help your channel. Remember, you didn't even have a 100 subscriber, and he encouraged you and posting your content, putting your videos out, and what you show, you're not showing no gratitude, because it seems as if you wanted more, and because you didn't get more than what you wanted, you decide to say, here what, I'm gonna try destroy in name. You see, from the very moment that you came out with the video, and you start talking, and you start telling your friends, your so-called friends, no content creator on here is ever friends, as you can tell here. Because let me tell you something. You was worse if it's a mix-up vlogger. They're only seeking information because them know so once them get information, then can bring it to the media and them are gonna collect change from it. So you giving the story for free, are you going to sell the story allegedly, and they are making money from it by trying to bring the man name down. But how can you bring a legend down? Because guess what? Whether we like it or not we, whether you like it or not, Colaz Smith is a legend. Here, he's a legend. Right now, I'm going to be bigger than the Prime Minister of Jamaica. But what may I say is, you how to fish. Show you if you catch a fish. You don't expect, say, him going to continue hold your hand like a little baby that you need to teach how to walk. Come on, you're a big grown-ass man. You should have know how to walk. If a person like Colaz Smith TV could take the time out to encourage you and how to grow your platform, and take the time out to show you the ropes, and you expect the man for continue to hold your hand and I take baby steps with him, you're going to pull him back down. That's why I said, me, no matter who for you, no matter who for you had me I go. You see, if me not putting money towards it, I could have family friend. I'm not heating it. I am not heating it. I don't want anybody have anything over me. Anybody can tell you where I come from. If you move a strand, I want to give you something towards the strand where you just move, because you see, the end of the day, I don't want anything to come back and say, oh, that vlogger girl, Juliana, I may do this fear, I may do that fear, because let me tell you, people are so cruel. They wait until they see like you rise. The moment that them see that you're making a name for yourself, is a time where they're gonna try to tear you down. Sometimes even the very people that you eat and drink with, because Colaz Smith TV eat and drink with Huno. And I am sure that Colaz Smith TV wasn't expecting for you to come out and behaving the way that you are behaving, as if you're a baby. You're not a child. You're not a child. So I don't see why on God's hurt you should be acting as if you're a little child. Come on. The man help you. The man help you. Not only you, he help you, your mother, to grow your accounts. So you have 10,900 subscribers right now. I don't remember how much your mother have. And you not grateful for that? You know what you should have do? The time that you take to hate on a person or to dislike a person, you should have taken that time out to create some vlogs. There are so many places, thank you for the thumbs up. There are so many places, that you could have go to and video just to make an income from it. Because you see, your hands are idle now. Your hand idle, your mouth idle. You just little and baga. You see, because you're little and baga, you don't have nothing to do. So you have all of that extra time to be sitting down in your feelings, to have up a person. That's why I say, you see, a people like Huno, people like you and your mother will poison people. People like Huno. People like Huno, nobody enough to eat from Huno. Because you cannot be trusted. Because imagine, no. You have up the man, you feel some type of way, and you didn't even say you have a number now, and I like you not having number now. All right, if him not answer your call, saying that he's not answering your phone number, use your mother phone, because seeing that your mother and Colasme TV was friends before you, so your mother and him more closer. Common sense could I tell you say, all right, you know, say I'm not answer my phone, me go use my mother phone for sending my message. Even if the man don't want reply, you know, you could have send a voice note or a text message, because everybody read their message from the then just draw on the screen and they can able to see exactly what's going on. Okay, so you could have send a little text message and let him know how you feel. You trying to call a person is busy. The person not have no time for you sit down on phone with you 24/7. So you could have sent a message and say, Colors, you know, I feel disappointed in you because you didn't get to take me around and stuff like that. And that should even come to your mind, because if a person said they are busy, you should have a other way out. You shouldn't feel no way, because the man is a busy man, and you get upset like a little girl child. You're not a girl, you know? You're not a girl child. You need to be more of a man. You need to be more manly. You're too in touch with your soft girl era. Your soft girl era, that's what's bringing you down. Because you cry over everything. Every, yo, I never see a person play sympathy card like how you play that sympathy card so well. You play it so well, you know. Jaja, no. I don't know how you guys are gonna mend your relationship, and if Color Smith is smart, I know that Color Smith TV is a very smart man. If I'm like him, stay far away from you, because you are not to be trusted. I wouldn't trust not one of you guys back if I was Color Smith TV. I wouldn't trust you guys, because if you take the time out to try ruin my reputation, bring my name through the mud, you bring my name to everybody that people could have my name a drag back and forth. Oh God. So you know say that not look good none at all, Panda Man. Because everybody, he, she and the whole lady I gotta have something bad for say. Even when them not worthy. Even when they are not worthy to even mention the man name, they're going to try and size up. Because you have some rat, you know. The rat, they don't know which lane they fi stay in, you know. They don't know when they fi stay in the lane, or they don't know when they fi come out. So everybody I go try if you bring down the man, the negative ones and ones them. Because the one them who have them head pan them body and who understand life, they not gonna bring down Color Smith. I just the one them were just bad mind and jealous. Cause you have some people who are so jealous of young people, you know. They didn't make no yo, you have some people that on this hurt. What they never do not with them time, they waste all of them time. And because they waste all of them time and they see young people making it, young people now for really work too hard for reach what they want for reach, because everybody have a social media platform and nobody stop you from posting the content. Nobody stop you from doing what a person is doing. You know? So even if you see somebody else that do something and you want to make it on this YouTube platform, you can just recreate the videos, you know. You see somebody do a vlog, and if you see a construction work, and you feel like you can manage it, do it. What about doing some walking vlog? What about doing some cooking vlog if you can cook? Try doing something that will entertain people, that will have people coming back to your platform. Don't get up and criticize people. because they see a person making their name on the social media and you are not able to make it on social media. And next thing too is not everything that you see a person do and not everything I go suit you, because you have some people who copy people idea, and because they copy people idea they don't know how to bring it out. No matter how they try to let it sound original and look original, they are not able to pull it off. It's like you have an idea, and how to build a house, and a man hear you a talk about it, He not have no idea how to do it, but he might go try see if he can run against you, to see if they can build the house or something. And when they take a stock, they are not able to fulfill that task there. So sometimes, we have to just be careful. Are the ones and ones them where we have wrong with. Be careful of who you make know your idea. Sometimes some people nothing know nothing at all about you. Sometimes some people will invite you to some places, and you not go. Even when you're anxious and you well want to go, decline the offer. Just decline the offer, man. You not have to accept it. Cause let me tell you this. I always say, you see, people who are too kind, the people where you will not ask them for nothing at all, and they will see that you have an issue, and they see that you want something. Them are gonna try them best to give it to you, because here what they want to have something over you. So when they know that they give you something, right? And they know so you can't go hear about it. You're not gonna want to talk too loud, because guess what? Everything they say, if there's a jump, if you say how high master or how low you should jump. Because guess what? Then grant you too little favor. So because then grant you too little favor, everything that they say, you should do it. But so life go. Sometimes we need to understand that, no matter how we try to do good for people, and everybody going to return the good. Sometimes we help some people, and another people where we helping and come back give us a strength, or do something for us. Sometimes some people will never ever give an assistant to, and them come back, come help you in the long run. A total stranger will come back and can give you the help. So you have to be careful who you take a strength from. Who you take strength from, because sometimes people are give you a strength just because they want to have something over you. And as we said before, if you're going to somebody else, you see, if you're not put no money towards their food, not eat it. Because trust me, let me tell you this. You see, as feisty as me be, if me not put no money towards you, if anybody had me go, family, friend, whatever it is, and I don't put any money towards it, me not feel comfortable at eating. Because I feel so when I don't eat it, yeah, chat me behind my back. So me not feel comfortable at eat it. Sometimes you're well hungry too, I got some people place. When your belly bottom roll like a sea bottom, learn to say you're good. So that means they don't have nothing over you. I remember I went to a family member. I not talk like a cousin or anything like that. Me I talk like auntie. And I like some I grow amongst her. I grow amongst her. And when I go past there and she a cook, I left go buy dry goods because I never feel the need to eat from her. I went and I bought bun and cheese and a plastic bag of soda. And I heat that outer road and come back. And when I come back, I tell her so my belly full. I don't want no food. Cause she thinks I may just go for a walk. No. I go buy what I buy, heat what I'm heating, and return back with my belly full. And when I'm ready, I left go my yard. Me not eat it from people like that. It doesn't matter who the person is because you see sometimes some people will give food and then take it tell you about it. I might learn that from a little bit of picnic. And everybody have to eat from. I'm a love all my mother and father grow me. Oh, it's worse if my spirit don't take you. I not eat from you none at all. Worse if my spirit don't take you. No matter how the food smell good, no matter how hungry I be, and something. Can you soon hear Marlana gonna come out with the next video, you know? Marlana come back out with the next video, come clap back at you. I guarantee that Marlon is coming out with a next video. Because you see how him ensure that him have recordings. He says that he have recording and all of these things. That boy Marlon coming out with more evidence. I guarantee you say him gonna come out come have something to say. Worse that you come out to speak your truth. He's gonna come out and have more things to say. If I make him make up the story them or whatever the case be, me no know. But Marlon was never your friend from the get-go. Because even when he say I apologize to whom I needed to. Are you and him have a problem? Are you if you come and say, Colaz TV, I am so sorry for everything that has been said behind your back. I know I shouldn't say that. All if you not mean it, come to you and apologize. Be the bigger person and apologize. But oh God, man, you can't find it in 20 person. That not look good. That not look good, not one bit. You can't find it now. Well, a 20 person. 20 people are whole people, you know. And I like I want one person. You can't find in. I want 2 person. You you can't find in a 20 people. You know that's a lot of people. If that 20 people go around and telling somebody else what really where them think or something, you know what that can do? You know what I can do? So that's why I say, and everybody I trust.
So
Want to listen for yourself now?
initially, I thought, I'm not gonna say anything about this. I'm just gonna leave it and treat it as, I usually deal with um, a lot of bad energies, see, by just not saying anything. But then, what I come to realize is that sometimes when situation is a little bit delicate, it might
You
come
can see
off,
say
come off.
Colors never
It
want come
might
out
come
to
off
come
as
talk, but he
um,
had to clear his name.
being guilty if you not say nothing. In certain instances, that is. With that being said, um, everybody who watches Colaz Smith TV see what I go on. Minus, the constant hate from, couple people over that side there, the obsessed ones,
You hear? The
and
obsessed
the
one.
ones who just simple trying to grow them channel from calling Colaz Smith TV name.
Daddy Gaga and him
Let's
attack
talk
here.
about this. See? And I am not talking from a place of hate or anything. I'm just talking from a place of giving my truth. See, yeah. All right. So we're not gonna go too much in details, but we might have to go a little bit in detail, seeing where necessary. All right. Rewind to when I started doing I think it was the first hurricane relief. Um,
Listen, guys, and
it was
listen
buried.
keenly.
Seeing, mind you, Colaz always doing good, always helping people. Like that's in my nature. Seeing, yeah. So we always been feeding the homeless. We always, been helping people with school fees and other little things. Are big things. Let me not say little things, big things.
Yeah, Uncle Smith is always helping people, Him ever help people. Right now, I think he's one of Jamaica's biggest content creator right about now. So everybody wants a piece of the pie, so them willing to tear the man them down.
You see me? Yeah, man. Um, yeah. So Hurricane Beryl came, and you know, totally mash up St. Vincent and the Grenadines and parts of Treasure Beach, St. Elizabeth in Jamaica. See, now I had plans, to visit St. Vincent and the Grenadines. It was gonna be like our second time going to St. Vincent because of you know, how good, how the mosquito come from, how good them treat we. Yo, Tata told you that the comment is coming. Yeah, man. Auntie Pauline reached out and she said, Colaz, you have to come to the US. Riri and Tate and all of that. So me I say, um, yeah, me I think about it. And, we keep talking for a little while and I say, all right, me I go just do it and done. See, yeah, because winter time and, more experience snow. So me get excited for all of this. And yeah, I went. And, them picked me up at the airport. Everything was good. Everything was nice. First time meeting them all and Pops Auntie Pauline were there, and it was a good vibe, good vibe. Everything was good, you know. When I spent 2 weeks in the US, but we only did like not even a full week in at Auntie Pauline's house because I went there to do content, right? I went there to make videos. I wanted to see the place, so basically um
No hear for
go do 1
herself,
week
so
and then
Pauline invited
we
him.
left from there and um, drive up to Maryland where my mom is and we surprise her and Ray and Tay and everything was good. No, yeah, I trust me, I got excellent treatment. Yeah, it was really good. As me, yeah, my bigger pops, make breakfast every morning and thing. Um, Auntie Polly make sure for cook. She asked me what more want. Ray, this, that. Marlon, we go road, him bring me around, and let me tell you, everything was nice. Everybody was good. You see me? Yeah, like, me I say, yo, wow, these people are really down to earth and good. You see me?
Because he say he not really want to say what he would have really want to say because trust me, since they were so good to him, he not really want to go say what he want to say. But trust me, them betray him.
At some point, of course, I help to boost their channels and whatnot. Tell Marlon, say, yo, him tell me, say, yo, him have a channel, but him not really take it serious and Ray and Tay. I say, yo, you have to post with the on him and Ray and him share what him want to do on it. And I say, yeah, man, deal with it. I'll boost it and we get a boost. And honestly, the channel basically left from, I don't even know if him did have like 100 subscribers. I think he had like 60 or 50. Skyrocketed over 1K. Ray,
You
this,
hear?
that. That was good. You see me? So, I go now. Second time around,
See, see? Marlon and him mother get more help from Color Smith than who them really and truly help Color Smith because for somebody take a channel from 60 subscriber, 50 to 60 subscriber to 1,000 subscriber, and now you have more than 1,000 subscriber, you should have been grateful. You know what you should have done do? You should have think about what type of motivation video I'm gonna create. Tell people about your life. Tell people about what you do to motivate young people. Cause see that you have this strong connection with young people. You should talk about how to motivate young people and how you stay positive and all of these things. You see, if you take the time out to do all of these things, you wouldn't have no time to say you're going to feel away because Color Smith not take no spend enough time with you or him not show you the love that you wanted. Trust me, a girl picking his style that. You're not a girl, be a man, be more manly because right now me act way better than mature than how you would act. And there's certain situation, I'm not gonna cry over that. If a person is not giving you attention, oh my God, honor your mother, honor your father. Your mother and your father are the person where you seek attention from. And when you come of age, you reach 18, you're not supposed to seek that much attention because you're no longer a kid. So my advice to you, Marlon, take the time out. If you have to go get some counseling, go get some counseling to try and deal with whatever issue you have because it seems as if you're searching for attention, that love and attention, but you're searching in the wrong place now. Wrong place you're searching it for, and the wrong person you're searching it from. You're supposed to be searching for that love and attention from your father or your mother, your girlfriend or your wife, if you have a wife. Them you're supposed to search that attention from, not from a next meal. Mm-mm. The man not have no time for your baby feed you. I put buckle in your mouth. You're a big man. The man teach you how to fish. The man teach you how to do your YouTube channel. Work on what he taught you. Master your art and craft. And come put out some content. Let people get content to watch. Because you see, if you never come out with all of them foolishness here, I would never try to be so mixed up. I don't understand how man can fly them out. Wanna take up this girl picnic style. Wanna take up this girl picnic style trying to wanna try to do outdo females now. Roles that female would play, wanna try play. Cause why I got hurt? Would you say I got to hold a 20%? Not even one? Or two or three? But 20? I never forgive you. Honestly, you see if I did maybe one or two person you went to, would have still with you. But the fact that you went to 20%, mm-mm, you had an intention. And me saying as me saying in my previous video, you had a motive. You know exactly what you were doing. You think you don't know what you do? You're only acting as if you're a baby, but you're smart. You play this art and craft game. You come like the 3 card man. You know the 3 card man where you see a roadside shuffling dice and all of them something there. And you for bet. And then you coming like Ginal. You think you don't know what you do? You know exactly what you do. You try to see if you can damage the man brand now. Why would you do that? And you say you love him so much. You don't love him. You're not even so much as respect the man. The fact that you don't have the numbers that he have, a that upon you. That away upon you. You Marlon, that's what burning you. It'll heat up your heart. And then you have your mother now, your mother back in everything went wrong. Everything your mother back in. Because your mother should have come forward and come say and come make you know say the man is a busy man. The man not have time for even scratching your head good. And you want him to babysit you. If you want a babysitter, you employ somebody to babysit you. The man not have them the precious time there. Remember, you know, the man having family, you know, the man have a business too. Where him have to maintain workers and all of these stuff. Where you think the man gonna get all of them the time they feel up and down back of you like a chauffeur driver? You're not a king, you know. You're not a king. You're just a normal person. So the man not have all of them the time there and you are gonna cry about that. Come on. Time to be a man. You're 50, you're going a 60-year old or something. You should have passed them the little baby stage a long time. And I look forward to eating more mature food. Because you're not ready for add food for eat yet, you know. You see, because you're too so soft and girly, you're not ready for add food. You, you still have breast milk by your mouth. Yeah, man. You're not mature yet. Wipe off your breast milk and come again. Just put out some content and stop holding grudge against a person. Put out your content and let people see what you can do. That you have to focus on. And not everything you have to complaining about. When you get up and you complain about everything, nobody not gonna want you around them because guess what? They're not gonna pre-say, you know, for the same thing that boy I gonna do me or that girl I gonna do me. Because let me tell you something. You see, we as a Jamaican are ones and ones from the ghetto side. We we are overthinker. So you will say something, you know, and we are processing all 5 different ways in our mind, you know, to see how that look to us, you know. I say if we're not comfortable with what we get, the result what we get, just know say a cut you get guys. So I think you do something and classmate just decide say here what. Him not go show you that even though he's busy, he was busy and so forth. But just we say you do something and it just you know really want to be around you no more. And that is the truth. You do something and the man does not want the around you no more. But may God help you. Because one God alone can help you out of this so one, you know. You see that's why they say yes when you dig one hole, dig two. Because you're gonna dig one for you and one for the person where you try to pull down. You see worse if a person do good for you, you know, if you try to destroy a person name. Because guess what? And you are trying to destroy your stick too quick. You not cross the water yet. Your channel don't even reach nowhere yet. And you are trying to tear down the man brand. Jeez, you are trying to destroy the man brand. And your channel not reach nowhere yet. You're still taking your baby steps. So you see if you take the time out for understand and for work on your channel and find out what you really want to push forward that your audience can get to watch and so forth. The man would not give you more strength, the man would not push you out. Because let me tell you something. You not really find nobody on YouTube. I even say them a share nobody and post on the community. If somebody share you out one time on the community, I guarantee you that you not get them share you out the second time. One time them a share you out on the community, and then but if you share you out. So if you did that move in the right and proper way, the man would have give you strength and say, all right, you know, so I'm going to share out that person here. I'm going to left them for my community. So anybody want go support, we go support. But you see, your mind never clean. Your mind was not clean from the get-go. All come like snake in a green grass. That's what you guys are. You guys are snakes. You guys are snakes in green grass. Una de on that farm it against Colaz. Una try destroy the man, but actually, say it's a beauty in disguise. Come I go tell you why I say it's a beauty in disguise. So you see, all who never did know about Colaz TV know that you come out and you talk up the things them and so forth. Thanks for that thumbs up. And you talk about the things them. Guess what? People are go and run, go search him now. So all if you never used to see Colaz TV link pop up, YouTube are go push it out because guess what? Everybody a search. He, she, the whole lady. Everybody a search because everybody want to know who is this Colaz. They want to see if Colaz, a person will type in a Colaz TV name 10 times for the day because guess what? They want to see if Colaz drop any answer. So people are going to type in name. So you see the more people are searching Colaz TV, you're doing a you meant it for evil, but God turned it around for his good. Because guess what? You had people searching for Colaz TV. So the more I try to tear down the man brand, the more that you guys are trying to destroy the man name or something, you guys are bringing more person to him. Because guess what? People are going to watch him and they're going to say, but I know so Colaz TV stay, man. He's a hard-working youth. And that I will mess you up. You see Colaz TV as strive. When you was Colaz TV age group, you never accomplish all of the things that you see Colaz TV accomplish. So here we are. And that's where the bad mind come from. That's where the jealousy come in from. Because you realize that this man accomplished so many things. You realize that the man accomplished so many things, and because you not even have half of what the man have, I'm not even quarter, you're going to not even have a quarter what you have. So the jealousy just creep in. And it's easy for jealousy creep in at people heart, you know. Especially people like Uno that not have it. You maybe can find two things, you know, but the things that you see him have, you want it for yourself. Because you have some people, you know, when they have a little shilling, you know, or they have a little piece of change, you know, and this is somebody who they think shouldn't they in the position where they in, they feel as if them should have in that position. They might try to bring down the person at any means and way. Thank you for that thumbs up. And I think that's what you and Pauline are doing. Like up the stream, guys. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so as yet. I would really appreciate it. So you see, because Colaz TV have more than what you guys wanted. Have? Because you want a man fame. You want to be popular. You want You want to have the connections. You want people to love you so much. And classmate have all of that. So you see, because him have all of that, people love him. I don't know who no love classmate. Who no love classmate TV are just the haters, the negative people them. Are just them alone don't love classmate, because everybody, he, she, and the old lady love classmate TV. And that's a burn your heart. But tell you what you do, you see, since you have a heartburn, go buy one bottle of Daika. Go buy one bottle of Daika and drink. Cause you have a heartburn. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for being here. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. I will definitely see you in the next live stream. And check out the video them, guys. And don't be afraid to share the video them out. And you can also go ahead and follow me on all social media platforms. Check out my next channel, Vibes with Sexy Juliana, on YouTube. And over on TikTok, it's Vibes with Juliana. Love you all. Bye.